Hey everyone, exciting news. I've got a tutorial on jailbreaking iOS 17. Yes, you heard it right. The jailbreak for iOS 17 is already here. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the process in under 10 minutes. But before we dive into the exciting part, let me show you that I'm using the latest iOS version on my iPhone. As you can see, it's all up to date. So to kick things off, we need to make a few changes in your iPhone settings to ensure a smooth jailbreak. Don't worry, it's super easy, and I'll guide you through each step. First stop, head over to the General tab in your iPhone settings. We want to make sure that the background app refresh option is enabled. This handy feature lets apps refresh their content in the background, keeping you in the loop with the latest updates. Toggle it on and pick your preference, either Wi-Fi only or both Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now let's swing by the battery settings. Check that your iPhone isn't in low power mode. If it is, toggle it off to get your device ready for the jailbreak. It's crucial to verify that your iPhone is not in low power mode, as it can impact the jailbreak. If it's enabled, simply toggle it off to ensure your device is ready for the jailbreak. Last but not least, hop into the App Store and make sure automatic downloads is good to go. This ensures that Cydia will be downloaded automatically. With all the settings, it's time to jailbreak. Open up your preferred internet browser on your iPhone and visit jbelite.cc. This site specializes in the Unc0ver iOS jailbreak. Once there, find the jailbreak button and tap it. On the next page, hit jailbreak again and confirm your action. Be a bit patient. The injection process might take a few minutes, but trust me, it's worth the wait. Once it's done, Cydia will be installed on your iPhone, ready for you to explore and enjoy a wide range of apps and games. If you found this tutorial helpful, show some love with a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more insightful videos. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next video. Peace out.